What's going on, 8th graders? This is going to be a little video on the idea of using message blocks. So right here, I'm going to use right here when broadcast message. This is going to be like new message, and when I receive that same one. So real quick, this basketball is set up so that it's going to glide. Here I have a shot meter moving left and right. That's that glide code right there. If I push the space key when this bar touches green, it's going to broadcast green. If it's touching red, it's going to broadcast red. So right there be green, right there be red. The basketball, if it receives green, it goes in. If it receives red, it misses. So real quick, I'll just run that. So I'm going to push the space bar right now. It's going to go in, and on red, it misses. So that's the concept. So what that looks like, here we go here. A, delete the cat. Cat's gone. Next, we're going to make a backdrop of a basketball hoop, box, backboard, red, hoop, circle, switches to orange, net, black, draw. I don't care how good or bad your net is. Mine's not going to be great. Okay, hoop. Now, it's way too big, so I need to select it with here, select tool, select, shrink it down, move it up. Click, click, we're good. Now, I need 3 sprites. I need that basketball, I need a shot meter, and I need the bar to move left and right. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to choose the basketball from the library. Basketball, there it is. Basketball is too big, shrink. That works. Next, I'm going to make this one, you won't find it. I have to make that one, you won't find it. So paint a sprite, box, rectangle. Now, for this to work, we're going to fill. Now, right now, actually, let's go back. Use straight line tool. If that is open at the bottom, when I go to fill, it'll fill the whole thing in. Whereas if I draw that line from the top to the bottom, but with black, it will fill just that section red. So, need to make some more of those. Good. Here, there, there, there. Red, fill, fill. Yellow, fill. Green, fill. Now, this is still too big. You could shrink it over here, but we're going to shrink it up here. Shrink. Shrink. Move over. Now I need to make that bar that slides left and right. Bar, black, just a straight line. Too thin, clear, thick, Now, move that up there, shrink down. That's good. So I have my 3 sprites, scripts. First one I'm going to do is code my sprite here. Events, when flag is clicked, motion. My line, it's already right there. I mean, you can just drag it around. Notice these coordinates, they change as you drag things. So I'm going to drag it up here where I want it to start. Glide, 1 second, drop that in, move it over there, drop in that new glide. Don't copy those. Put it where it is and drag out your own box. Control forever. Click the flag. That's working the way it's supposed to. Excellent. Stop. Next, I'm going to just move this a little bit. And I'm going to use events. When space is pressed, control. If my black bar is touching, so sensing, touching color, changes from blue to green. I also use click on this box, click on the color. I want to go to events, broadcast message, switch this to new message, green. Click on OK. Good. make a duplicate, stamp, duplicate, space, change this from green to red, broadcast, message, red. Okay, so this is done. Basketball. So on the basketball, I'm going to go leg is clicked, motion. That's what I want it to go to every time I start, so I'm just going to go start that there, go to that location. Then events, when I receive green, I want it to go in. So I'm going to go motion, glide up, and in. So my slider's moving. I'm going to push space right now. It goes in, buckets. That's going slow, so I'm going to speed this up from point 1 to point, let's go point 3. Go. Start. Still probably want to adjust that a little bit, but that's the gist. Events, and when I receive red, this is going to be a miss. So I want it to go motion, glide up here. And this one you can see I'm missing. I'm going to glide over there. Miss. So we're going. Miss. I'm going to hit it again on green. We're good. Buckets. That's where we're at. When I receive green, when I receive red, you are good to go.